Dr. Jolly George, Senior Consultant Neurosurgeon, Holy Family Hospital, Mudalakkodam, Todupuzha. See, my topic is epilepsy is a contraindication for marriage and childbearing. And in my experience, marriage and childbearing is acceptable for epilepsy patients also. Only thing is, we have to give anticonvulsants, which is safe during pregnancy. And also with epilepsy is a disease where there are a lot of taboos and misbeliefs in the society. So previously, this marriage, pregnancy, etc. are forbidden to these patients. But with the advent of newer and newer anti-epileptics, now more and more people are marrying and people are having children also. Even in our hospital, we have 2-3 staff who are epileptic since the age of 5 to 8 years of age. They married and successfully living with the children. And also, interestingly, the children born out of these people are absolutely normal without any epilepsy. In our institution, we have 3 staff who are non-epileptic on anti-epilepsy treatment. They married and they conceived and they are healthy children. No history of epilepsy for their children. So I am sure epilepsy patients also, they can have, like normal people, they can have marriage and they can have children also.